What's going on? What's going on? Y'all know what it is, man. Gotta eat. So today we looking for a nice little cheap meal, and I think I found it. Lunch meal deal for only £5, y'all. So we're about to check out one of my favorites. Wok noodle. Okay, y'all, today we're gonna check out the Wok to Go noodle bar. And they got a £5 lunch meal deal. I like it, I like it. Hi, can I get a £5 one?
£5 of that? Which one? Chicken, beef, or that? It's the noodles with the veg, and you choose one couple. Chicken, beef, or that?
Beef.
Beef?
Yes. The spicy one and the sweet one. Spicy and sweet.
One spicy, one sweet.
No.
I want mix.
Yeah, a little spicy, a little sweet. Thank you. I don't know, man, but it seems like you can't eat out no more with £5. £5 is like a drink money. Like if you want to drink, you know, you could probably buy 2 drinks with £5 nowadays. So to get a little quick lunch, you know, you ain't getting a drink with it, but you know me, I carry my bottled water with me everywhere I go. This little noodle joint right here, it'll hold you down for a little lunch, quick lunch. You're gonna be hungry again in about a couple hours, but you know, this will hold you down, man. It's delicious. Look what the size is right there. You got the £10 one, £9. I think there's like a £6 or £7 one. What's that one? Then you got the £5 joint. That's the joint I'm. If y'all want to check out the menu, I'll put a picture of the menu up for y'all if y'all want to check them out what they got. I'm not buying all that stuff. It's too expensive. You on a budget, man. Right now, man, I'm only dealing with budget meals, so I'm only in here for the meal deal of the day or the lunch meal or something like that. You know what I mean? £5 is way over my budget. I could take £5 and go to the supermarket and cook. That £5 can last me, can feed me for like 2 days. Rather than get a meal with £5 and be hungry in another hour and gotta spend some more money to get food, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'd go to the supermarket and get £5, man. And cook a meal that's gonna last me 2 days. Straight up. So don't be acting like £5 ain't a lot of money. I mean, I can feed you for 2 days, bro. And think about it, a lot of people, they work minimum wage. That's like, what, $10.40, something like that? If you working minimum wage, you got to work for half an hour to afford a little meal like this. I mean, one little meal, lunch, and you're still gonna be hungry when you're done. People that's working minimum wage can't afford to eat out. And that's the real. Because if you only making $10 an hour or £10 an hour, you can afford to spend £5 on one meal. Then, you know, an hour later you're gonna be hungry and might have to spend and get some more food. So just to eat twice for the day, you're gonna be spending. You got to work an hour and a half just to eat for the day. That math ain't mathing. Okay, let me show y'all what we got right here. A little greenery, nice amount of beef, noodles, seasoned up good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this joint is banging. It's banging. You know, this is my little 5-pound meal of the day, y'all. So if y'all ever on the run or y'all making a quick move or whatever, you need something real quick to keep you going. Yeah, these little 5-pound noodles can do it, and they very tasty as well. Let me know what y'all think about this meal deal right here for 5 pounds. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Drop a comment, let me know. And thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. And like I said, subscribe for more. Peace out.